So hi guys, today we are making, guess what? The viral Japanese cheesecake as Oreo and strawberry edition. So this is a simple recipe. We need only 3 ingredients. The main ingredient is yogurt. I'm using the available. You can use Greek yogurt too. And the second main is the biscuit. You can take any biscuit or biscoff. Actually, I am using Oreo because I like Oreo. And the third one is actually I am using strawberry jam for the feeling of it. This is Jack Ross strawberry jam. So let's make it. Now let's add the biscuits.
A few moments later.
So now we are done filling the strawberry jam. So guys, we are finally done making the cheesecake. We must cool it for 12 hours. So I'll see you guys in 12 hours. Bye. So guys, this is after 12 hours. It's really freeze up. So let's try it. I'm so excited. So this is, let's try it. It's really good. You must try this, guys.